Good evening, one and all, and good evening and welcome to all the members of the press gathered here today. We would like to thank you for coming here today on a short notice and for giving us your precious time. My name is Viola Sibyl Pereira, and today we are having this press conference mainly to make an appeal to the CEC, that is Central Empowerment Committee, which is constituted by the Supreme Court to physically inspect the forest area, which is likely to be destroyed by the three linear projects that are double tracking of Southwestern Railways, widening of National Highway, and the Goa Tamna Transmission Project Limited. And these three projects are passing through the thick forest and are going to destroy the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and the Monya National Park. So today, the youth representatives gathered here today have sacrificed their study time, have sacrificed their exams, and have come here because we believe that this is a very important issue and it needs to be addressed. So I would like to ask our youth representative, Shirley, to give us the further.
Okay, what I want to emphasize on, we the youth of Goa have written appeals to a lot of departments, to a lot of organizations. To name some of them, we have written to Goa State Pollution Control Board, we have written to the Minister of Environment and Forest, we have written to the Conservation of Forest, we have also written letters to our respective MLAs. But despite doing all this, despite giving out so many appeals, there was no response from them. We have also appealed to them to call for a meeting so that we can personally put forth whatever our appeals are to them, but there was no response. But now, we are all aware that the CEC, that is the Central Empowered Committee, has come to Goa. And the petition was filed by Goa Foundation, and the Supreme Court has sent the CEC to Goa to look into this matter, to examine into this matter with regard to the three linear projects. We are really thankful for CEC coming, paying heed to our appeals. We have also written to them, and this appeal that went to them were signed by many people. There were almost 20 different stakeholder representation. If you put their names together, it makes up almost 55 pages. There are so many people. To name a few representation letters, there were more than 400 students who had signed it. There were college students talking about mall being spaces for their mental well-being. There were more than 100 teachers who stated that these forests were their learning laboratories. There were peer-reviewed studies done by so many scientists. There were 150 scientists from all across India stating their concerns with regard to these three linear projects. There was Prerna Singh Bindra. She is a former member of the National Board for Wildlife. Even she had written to the CEC. Travel Tourism Association of Goa, 150 tourism stakeholders, lawyers from all across India, 150 small business owners in Goa, more than 100 veterinarians, projects affected citizens, that is Goinso Ekmorga and Korso Nakka and Goinso Awaz. Even these were important organizations who had written to them. The Villager Action Committee Against Double Tracking, Goa Heritage Action Group, more than 100 architects had spoken about the three linear projects being very destructive. And there were 249 artists. The citizens' letter that was sent to the CEC had received more than 3,000 signatures of support. So after sending this letter to the CEC, we are really thankful that at least they paid heed to whatever we had appealed and they have come to examine this whole issue. We are just looking forward for a positive response from them. Now I would like Gabriela to speak about a few things that she wants to put forth to CEC.
So we're just, on behalf of the youth of Goa, we are very grateful that the CEC has actually responded to all of our representations. And there were over 70,000 people that signed a petition for the CEC to come down to Goa to analyze the projects. And they actually have followed through with this, and they are here in Goa right now. And we as young people in Goa are very grateful that they would come down here and take heed of what is going on. So just for a little context, the CEC is an advisory committee of the Supreme Court, which means that they will create a report which will then be used when this particular case goes to the Supreme Court. So even though this will sort of add to the case once it goes from the High Court, which is where it is right now, and it goes up to the Supreme Court. And what we've seen from previous times when the CEC has come to Goa, it's been a very positive response. They usually take very good heed of environmental matters, and they're very supportive. And in our case, they have actually been following the whole campaign for many, many months. They've been reading a lot of the newspaper reports, they've been reading all of the letters that we have sent to them. And even when they have come to Goa, they've responded very positively. They have acknowledged the responses, they've been open to meeting the public. In fact, multiple members of the public will be meeting the CEC tomorrow. They are also very diligent in looking at the projects, and we are all very positive that their response will be positive, and that they will take heed of the fact that this is not just a small issue which is development versus environment, but this is really where we have Goa's identity at stake. So I would just like to also ask my friend Rifa to add to this.
We as Goan, we are not agitators, but we are forced to come out on the streets. More so, the youth had to come out because all the higher authorities were not listening to us. Agitations have been happening in Goa, either for IIT or against double tracking. But as youth, we are happy that CEC has listened to our concerns, and we hope that we will receive a positive response. A final question to the government. As students and as youth, where are we supposed to be? In schools and colleges, or are expect us to keep agitating? So please let us be where we need to be.
Hi, I'm Hyacinth. As the youth and as a part of the youth and researchers group in Goa, I would first like to thank the CEC. We would first like to thank the CEC for coming on ground to examine the current scenario regarding Moran. And as researchers who have worked on ground with regard to all the issues with the livelihood and documented livelihoods and biodiversity across the state, we know the importance of these forests for our future. So we urge and request and desperately plead the CEC to be because they are a final hope after all our letters, our peaceful protests, all our social media awareness campaigns. So CEC is the final, is the company that we are having our final hopes in. That's our last resort. So we plead the CEC to look into this and assess all the peer reviews that are being done by the scientists of Goa and give us a positive answer.
Okay, so my name is Mayan, and from my side, as a part of the youth and together with the youth, I would like to give a message not only to the CEC, to the people of Goa, also to the government and all our representatives, as MLAs, as ministers, that आमचे सोबीत सुंदर गोंय आमचे पुर्वजांनी आमकां आयज पासून राखून दवरला आनी इट इज रियली ब्युटिफूल. We see a lot of tourists coming to Goa, and it is really beautiful. Our nature is beautiful, our greenery is beautiful. आमची शेतां भाटां, आमचे दोंगर, आमचे दर्या, आमच्यो नद्यो, everything is beautiful. That is why we are proud of it. Goans are proud of it. And today, तुका बघता आमच्या दोळ्यां मुखार not only आमच्या झाडां पेडांचो फुडार, आमच्या जनावरांचो फुडार, आमच्या दोंगरांचो फुडार, but आमी भुरग्यांचोय फुडार पिडार जाता. It's very sad to see that so many trees are cut. In the near future, when the double tracking will take place, they'll be even in a way destroying the Dudhsagar, which is so beautiful. आणि तू बघता कित्याक आमच्या पुर्वजांनी हे सगळे पळयलां, आमचे गोंय सोबीत पळयलां ती शेतान काम करतालीं, न्हंयांनी नुस्तें गरयतालीं. आनी आतां तें जरी तर आमी आत्मनिर्भर जावन करूंक सोदतात जाल्यार तें जायना. दोळ्यांक दुकां येतात, हें सगळें करतना, हें सगळें पळयतना सरकार जें कितें करता. It is very sad to see, and I, as a youth, I want to see my Goa in my future. I want to show my Goa to my children also in the future. It is not only of the government, it is of the people, and it is of us. The future is ours, and I want it always to remain. I want Goa to be beautiful every day, every year. सासनाक म्हणटाय ते भाशेन म्हाका म्हजें गोवा उरलेलें जाय. That's all I want to say.
म्हजें नांव रोमियो. आतां जे आमच्या सगळे युथांनी आपले जे व्ह्यूज आहात ते तुमच्या फुड्यान दवरला आमच्या मुखार गोंयकारांना. हे जे आमची सीईसी जी कमिटी आसा तांकां आमची मागणी की हे बरो एडवायस हिंगासान घेवन वचपाचो आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक जे सारकें आहा तेंच तांच्या मुखार दवरचें. आनी आमची मागणी हे प्रोजेक्ट स्क्रॅप जाल्यार एकदम बरें. तशेंच आमी जे यूथ हे भायर सरतात तशेंच जायते एनजीओज ह्या वावरा खातीर फुडें सरतात. एक्टिविस्ट बरे मागपी आमचे एमएलएज पासून आमचे वांगडा आसा. तर आमी सगळ्यांनी मागणी हे जी सीसी सेंट्रल एम्पावर्ड कमिटी जी सुप्रीम कोर्टाची हांगा आयला तांच्यांनी ही बरे ते एडवायस दिवन हे प्रोजेक्ट स्क्रॅप जाल्यार पुरो म्हणून मागता. तशेंच आतां बाब मॅट्सन आनी डॅलिना आमचे जे डिमांड्स आसात ते तुमचे फुड्यान दवरतले.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमचो पयलो आनी मुखेल डिमांड म्हळ्यार आमी आतां सीईसी कडेन उपकार करून तांचे कडेन मागणी फुडें घालून सुप्रीम कोर्टा लागीं हेजे क्लियरन्स जे दिल्ले आहा ते रिवोक करून आमचे मुखेलमंत्री मिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत आनी रान खात्याचे मिनिस्टर मिस्टर निलेश काब्राल तांच्यांनी फुडें सरून गोवा फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मागून हे जे प्रपोजल आहा ते परतून घालूंक मागूंक जाय. स्पश्टपणे सांगूंक गेल्यार तमनार प्रोजेक्ट, साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे आनी द पीडब्ल्यूडी हे प्रोजेक्ट तांच्यांनी ते आमचे वडील ते गोंय राज चलयतात. सो तांच्यांनी गोंय रान खात्या लागीं मागून हे पत्ते घालून हो आमचो पयलो डिमांड. दुसरो डिमांड गोंयांत गोंयकारांक गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान फटयला. कशें काय? पयलीं म्हळ्यार तांच्यांनी सांगला की हे प्रोजेक्ट सेंट्रलाक सांगल्यार पळोवंक गेल्यार अकॉर्डिंग टू द 7th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जी आमची रानां आनी अभयारण्यां जी आहात दे आर ऑन द कॉन्करंट लिस्ट. म्हळ्यार कितें? म्हळ्यार स्टेट आनी सेंट्रल तितलोच इम्पॉर्टंट टू टेक अ डिसिजन ऑन दिस बिग प्रोजेक्ट. आनी सगळें म्हळ्यार निमाणे रानाचे जे परमिशन ऑफ फायनल डिसिजन जे आसता ते स्टेटा लागीं आसता. सो हांव मागतालो सीईसी कडेन तांच्यांनी प्लीज कडक आनी बरो मोठो दोळो धरून आमची मागणी फुडें घालची.
Our third demand is, as we've said in the past, and we have the work is still going on. Your projects are all across Goa, काम चालूच आसा. Be it the Tamna transmission line or the double checking of the railways, काम चालू आसा आणि हे आमकां खबर आसा. So आमची मागणी आसा to the Goa Forest Department की हे सगळें काम बंद करचें. जे काम the work that is in progress on the non-forest land, we want this work to be stopped. And finally, our ardent request to the CEC that, as Shirley has stated, the 20 stakeholder representations that have been sent across, especially by students, that these representations be taken into consideration and as these projects do not have the public interest, our interest, the interest of the youth, the interest of the people of Goa in mind. They don't have a consent. Amka Naka hai projects. We have been screaming no to these projects for the last so many months, and we will stand firm on our decision because we have a present and a future in mind.
तुम्ही म्हटले पळय प्रोजेक्ट तिनूय स्क्रॅप करचे म्हणटा आसतना जर गरज ना प्रोजेक्टाची गरज ना डबल ट्रॅकिंग गरज ना बाय
ना अजिबात ताची गरज ना कित्याक डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा तें बरें डेव्हलपमेंट जावंक जाय डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह डेव्हलपमेंट जावंक ना लोकां खातीर कितें बरें जाता जाल्यार बरें आहा तें हितून तूं झाडां पेडां मारताय हितून तूं जानवरांचे तिंका त्रासान घालताय लोकांची घरां वयता आय डोंट थिंक इट इज अ डेव्हलपमेंट
आणि व्हॉट अबाउट तानमार नाही गरज ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटीची शॉर्टेज जावची ना
आमचे माननीय एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर पॉवर मिनिस्टर निलेश काब्राल बाबान आधी स्टेटमेंट केल्लो की गोंयांत एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आहा आणि सडनली ताणें तो स्टेटमेंट चेंज केलो की गोंयांत डेफिसीट जाला कळ्ळें तुका पळय आमच्यात ऑलरेडी इफ वी हॅव एक्सेस आता गरज कित्याक आमकां नंबर 1 नंबर 2 म्हणटा ते आता जे आता आमचे आदले लायन्स आहा ती अपग्रेड करूंक जाता वाय वी वॉन्ट अ न्यू लायन त्याची गरजच ना जे आदले आहा लायन्स ते अपग्रेड करूंक जाता
तुमकां दिसता की डेफिसिट आहा काय
एक्सेस आहा येस
तुमचे डॉक्युमेंट काढल्या आरटीआय आसा
आसा